Guys, hello. It's already finished here. We have made three pieces, not three, four, and I can see three comes perfect, but one is completely messed up. So this is the videos for today. Thank you, everyone. Okay, can I see? Huh?
With flour ne, aloo ne.
With flour ne, aloo ne, duga.
Aduga thum morok.
Thum morok, fadigom. आज नया ट्राई कर रहा है यारो यारो नंगी लिक्विडो फाकिडो सी यारो इनसे कहीं ना हो इसे हाँ ओजाना हो भी इसी कहीं ना हम तो है भी उसे मैं हम वीडियो सीधा मैं इसे खंडे कहीं ना माना तो रिश मेरे को भी पता नहीं भाई ये क्या बना रहा है ये डोसा तो नहीं है और पता नहीं भाई क्या क्या एक्सपेरिमेंट कर रहा है मेरे साथ सी पोचने को सिने तुम यार ये कोई प्लास्टिक इंटर दो स्पून दो ने
Pandrayo hindi.
नंगी सीधी कई मसाला है था कई केक
Pancake too.
वाह वाह क्या बारे भाई गाना भी गा रहा है एक तो गुड हाय हाय सीधी पेनकेक वो इन्हें लिक्विडो फाकिडो सी
Then I'm very big na. For my job no yenge and happen is liquid do paratha ni ay.
लिक्विडो पराठा ने
Aloo paratha.
ये आइडिया कहाँ से आ रहा भाई यूट्यूब से आ रहा है क्या भाई सारे आइडिया वो यूट्यूब से लेके हमारा सारा एक्सपेरिमेंट कर रहा है ये तो ठीक नहीं है भाई कोई बात नहीं भाई खाने का तो मिल रहा है
Kaya na yam mamali. Yam si yam do mamali.
याम याम रहे ये कहीं नहीं यामी कहीं नहीं सूंघे आलू आलू थोड़ा ज़्यादा हो गया बोल रहा है और विथ फ्लोर थोड़ा कम है बोल रहा है इसके हिसाब से फर्स्ट टाइम बना रहा भाई थोड़ा माफ़ कीजिए कोई गलती हो गया तो सेकेंड राउंड में लक्ष्य में दूसरा राउंड आ गया भाई देखो ये सेकेंड राउंड में थोड़ा बड़ा बनाएगा बोल रहा है करो करो भाई देखते हैं यही है ना बात मशीनी मैम अनों अनों बा चिंजाक पिज़्ज़ा ये ना अखोई अभी हमने करना होना रे यंग्स कमाई तो गेश का one part I think is already fried properly right okay we are trying to fry again this is the condition of this liquido paratha that's what she said I have no any idea at all and this is the first time for me to experience and even she's trying for the first time and we have no any idea how it will the taste will be but it's nice to taste new thing we are fed up of eating the same thing again and again am I right say something
She's a herb yam yam adi.
what she's trying to say is if we put more this what is that with flour then it should be fluffy not flat that's what she's trying to say I'm translating for the viewers those who don't know Manipuri I'm trying to explain in Hindi and English okay if I make any mistake please guys forgive me I'm not that much expert to speak in English and Hindi but still I'm trying at my best level to make you guys understand wow it become nice it will be tasty I think she's doing very carefully sometimes he's using spoon, sometimes he's using that plastic wala spoon. Wow. Nice. The chef is already messed up. You guys can see here there is hole in the middle, 3-4 holes, and there is no proper shape. It should be like round, it should be fluffy, but it doesn't come the way she is expecting. It's okay, she's trying at her best level. I don't care what the shape is, okay, but it should be tasty. That's matter, I think, right? And this is for our iftar. Okay, this is a Ramadan month, and this is for iftar. Not 5. Iftar will be around 6:24 or 25. I'm not sure. I have to. Liquido paratha. This is the last one. Okay. Wow. See, it doesn't stick. It comes up when she try to touch the liquid. Okay, she says it is very lovely. I think this one will be for Cyan. Cyan will have this one. It's very small. My son is watching his cocomelon. This is the pancake. Okay. Guys, hello. It's already finished here. We have made 3 pieces, not 3, 4, and I can see 3 comes perfect, but 1 is completely messed up. So this is the videos for today. Thank you everyone.